Hello friends, once again I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Professor Iqbal Tajwale. In this episode of lecture, we will discuss the use of wood. In which conditions wood can be used. Now there are different conditions where we can use wood. Particularly we will discuss the usage of wood in three different conditions. The first condition is wood can be used as the past equivalent of will. Wood can be used as the past equivalent of will. When we use as the past equivalent of will, the meaning goes into the past. It means the meaning refers to the past. It refers to past itself. For example, he said, I would meet you the next day. She would sit for hours watching TV. When we were in Kashmir, we would go for a walk every day. When we were in Kashmir, we would go for a walk every day. When she was a kid, she would watch cartoon channels a lot. When you see all these examples, you will come to know that the wood is used to refer the time of past. So the meaning of wood here, it refers to the past tense. It goes into the past. It doesn't have anything to do with the present time nor with the future time. Okay, this is one of the conditions. Now let us go ahead and discuss the other condition where would can be used. In formal usage, would can be used for polite requests. Generally, we use will when we are talking with the same age group people, but when we are talking with our elders, those people who are elder than us, those people who are seniors or elder than us, we use would. Let us start with some examples. Would you lend me some money? Would you get me a glass of water? Would you lend me your scooter? Would you get me something to eat? Would you give me something to have? So if you see all these examples, you will come to know that the would is used here to request someone. You will come to know that the would is used here to request someone. You can also say, I would like some coffee, please. I would like some coffee, please. So, would can be used for a request also, particularly polite requests. In compared to will, would is politer. Even we can use would for offers and invitations. Now, offers and invitation in the sense when you offer someone for something, when you invite someone for something or to do something, that becomes an offer or invitation. You are inviting that person to come with you, either to come with you or to join you. So this is how for offer and invitation you can use would. Let us take some examples so that you will get a clear picture of how to use would for offers and invitation. Would you like to come with us? Here I am inviting that person to accompany me. Would you like to have some more milk? This is my offer for that person. Okay, already he has some milk, but I am again offering him. Okay, would you like to have some more milk? Would you like to say something? I am asking him whether he has to express his ideas or not. Would you like to say something? Would you like to sing a song? Would you like to sing a song? Would you like to join us? So here I am offering the other person to come and be with us, to join us. Okay, you can also say, would you like to have something? If a person is hungry, then you can also offer him. You are also having food, and then you will also offer him by saying, would you like to have with us, or would you like to have something? So in this way you can use would for polite offers or invitation. You can use would for offers and invitation. Now the fourth is when you want to request someone. Okay, now here this request form will be politer than the form of would, and here the construction will be would you mind. Would you mind plus verb ing. Would you mind writing a letter for me? This is politer than would you write a letter for me. Would you mind writing a letter for me? Would you mind singing a song for me? Would you mind opening the door? Would you mind reading that book for me? So like this, you can use would you mind construction, and this construction will be politer than would also. This construction is politer than would. So this is how you can use would in different contexts. So there are 4 different contexts where you can use would effectively. The first we saw, you can use would as the past equivalent of will, where the meaning goes into the past. And the second condition is you can use would for polite requests. At the same time, you can use would for offers and invitations. Okay, and the fourth was again for politest request, for the politest request. And here the construction will be would you mind plus verb ing. So this was an effort. This was how to use would effectively in your day-to-day conversation, in your day-to-day talk or conversation. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I hope this video will help you to understand the use of would effectively. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.